children? Hello. Yes. Hope you all enjoying and attending the online class, children. Yes. Yes. Please attend the online class. It will be easy to complete day-to-day activities, children. I hope that you have understood my concepts. What I am teaching right now, you will all understood, no, children? Yes, children. You are all very good. Please be attentive while teaching the online class, children. Yes. Don't make naughty things at home. Be a good boy and good girl, children. Yes. Before that starting our session, what we will do first? We'll start with our school prayer, no, children. Yes, I think you have learned few lines now. Yes, children. Please get up, children, all of you. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Yes. Start the prayer. Little Ellie, little Ellie is my school. Oh, I love it, how I love it, and you love it too. I can play, I can sing, I can read and write you. I can draw, I can dance, and have fun too. It's my best friend, a pink elephant. I am proud to be a little Ellie, little Ellie is the best school. Yes, open your eyes, hands down, children. Now sit properly. Yes. Now be ready to attend the next concept. Yes, children. Before going to the today's concept, let us revise the yesterday class. Yesterday class, what we have done, children? Yesterday we have learned the introduction of letter A. U letter. That is, you have learned now which letter is that? Letter A. Very good. And we have learned the introduction of number 4. You have learned the number 4 also. Yes, children. And you have learned the another one concept, which is that is the theme time. Which is the theme time? In theme time, what you have learned? Being kind. In that you have learned the good manners. Yes. Now you are all good children. I think you have learned some good habits now at home. Yes, children. Very good. Now let us start with our today's concepts. Yes, children. It will be new and something quite interesting also. Yes, children. Let us start with our new concepts. Yes, today I am going to teach the number 4. Yes, you have already learned the 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4 also. Now I am taking this number 4 for identification. Let us now revise the number 4 once again, children. Yes. Yes, children. What is this number? This is number 1. Number 1, 1 for 1 dot. Number 1 for 1 dot. Yes. Next, what is this? This is number 2. Number 2 has 2 dots. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 for 2 objects. 2 for 2 things. Very good. Next, what is this? After 2, which number will come? 3. Yes. This is number 3. How many dots are there here? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 for 3 dots. Show you on your fingers, see, children. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I have. See, I am showing 3 fingers. Yes, you also show. Yes, very good. Next, that is 4. Yes. Which number is this, children? This is number 4. This is number 4. Can you recognize what this is number? What number is this? This is number 4. How many dots are there here? Number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 has 4 objects or 4 things. Can you count on your fingers? Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 fingers. Can you show you? Yes, come on, children. Show in your hand 4 fingers. Yes. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, children. Here are the few objects, few pictures. Sorry, not objects. Few pictures I have put. This is number 4. This is number 4. I have put some pictures. Can you count with me? Yes, children. Yes, what is this I have put first line? I have put butterfly. You like butterfly, no? How it is the butterfly? Very colorful. Yes, come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, count the butterfly once again, children. How many butterfly are there here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 picture what is ma'am has put here? This is the honeybee. Yes. From honeybee what you will get? Honey. For what purpose you will use honey? For bread you will apply and eat, no? How it is the taste? Very sweet. Honey is very sweet. Yes. Count the honeybee here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you count once again? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for number 4 for 4 honeybees. Yes. Next what ma'am has put here? 4 flowers. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 flowers ma'am has put here. Next what ma'am has put here? That is owl picture. Can you count? Can you count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, 4 owls. Number 4, 4 butterflies. Number 4, 4 honeybees. Number 4, 4 flowers. Number 4, 4 honeybees. Yes. See children, number 4 has 4 objects or a 4 picture. Here I have put the 4 pictures on the board. Yes. Number 4. Now you sing a number song. Number 4. Yes. Will you sing? You are number 4. You are number 4. 4 butterflies, 4 honeybee. 4 butterflies, 4 honeybee. You are number 4. You are number 4. Come and count with me. You are number 4. You are number 4. 4 flowers, 4 owl. 4 flowers, 4 owl. You are number 4. You are number 4. Come and count with me. You are number 4. Yes. Very good children. Yes. Now I will show you how to write the number 4. Yes children. Now you are able to recognize the number 4 and counting of number 4 pictures. Yes children. With the object also you should count children. So okay. Before writing, I will do you another one activity that is we have done in the last class. That is clothespin activity using the clip. It is very easy at home. You can also use this children. It is helpful for counting. See what is this children? This is the number 1 and this is cloth. For cloth we will put the clip, no? You can use, okay? Or beads also you can use children. Tell your mama to give small things to count. Okay, here I am showing you the clothespin. This is number 1. Number 1 for 1 clip. Yes. Number 1 for 1 clip. Next, what is this number children? This is number 2. This is number 2. 2 for 2 clips. Yes. Can you count? 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 for 2 clips. Yes. Next is, what is this number? 3. 3. Yes. 3 for 3 clips. Yes. 3 for 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Can you count children? 1, 2, 3. 3 for 3 clips. 3 for 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Yes children. Very good children. Next is, I will show you the number. This is today's identification of number 4. Now you have to count and tell. Yes children. Already I have count the picture. Now you have to count and tell me. Yes, come on, count with me. Yes, this is the number 4. Now count with me. Yes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 for 4 clip. 4 for 4 clip. Show in your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, 4 clip. Number 4, 4 clip. 4 for 4 fingers. Yes. This is number 4. Now I will show you how to trace the number 4 children. Yes. Are you ready? Yes. First I will show you on the board. See. You first number 4 how you write? A straight line. Again, one sleeping line and one standing line, small standing line makes the number 4 in the mathematics readiness book, they have given the dotted line. You have to trace, children. Same thing I will show on the tray. Okay, children. See, children. First you have to write slant line, again sleeping line, and one small standing line. Okay. Can you see? Once again I will show you slant line, sleeping line, and small standing line. This is number 4. This is number 4. Once again, slant line, sleeping line, and small standing line. Yes, makes number 4. So, how you have to write this one, children? Today's homework I will give 2 pages. That is page number open 4. Number 4. Page number 81. Yes, I think you have traced this number no? From mathematics readiness book. Yesterday I gave no. Today what you should do? This is number 4. Trace the number 4. You have to trace the number 4, children. See. Here they given the arrow mark. 1, 2, 3, 4. First from first arrow, 1 you have to come. Again one slant line. Again one sleeping line. And again one standing line. This makes the number 4. Today's homework you have to trace the page number 81. This one I will give next day. First you trace this page, children. Page number 81 you have to do for mathematics readiness book. Yes, children. Very good. Next we will move to next concept. Yes. Okay, I will remove this all. Now we will go to the next new concept. That is, yesterday you learned which letter, children? Yes, can you tell anyone? Yes, that is letter A. That is letter A. Okay, children, which letter is this? Letter A. Today I am giving the identification of letter A. Yes, children? Yes, yesterday we had learned the new letter A. A. Big letter A, small letter A. This is big letter A, this is small letter A. Big letter is also known as the uppercase. Small letter is also known as lowercase. A for apple. A for apple. A sound A. A sound A. Okay. Now I will show you the letter A. See, this is the big letter A. Okay. A for which are the things will come for A letter? Apple. You like to eat apple? No? It is very sweet. You should eat one apple daily. And what is this? What is this, children? This is aeroplane. A for aeroplane. And A for what is this? It is used to cut the wood. Axe. Yes. A for axe. Next, this one have you seen in the house or outside the house? Yes, this is ant. A for ant. Okay. Yes, children. Once again I am repeating. This is big letter A. This is big letter A. This is small letter A. Big letter A is also known as uppercase. Small letter A is also known as lowercase. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for ant. A for axe. Now I will teach you with the phonic sound. Yes? Yes, children. For phonic sound, you have to open the Discover Phonics book, children. Yes, please open. Yes, very good, children. Yes, open. Yesterday I taught you in the phonic book, no? Yes. This is small letter A. Small letter A is also known as lowercase. This, what is this picture? Ant. A sound A. A sound and ambulance. Ambulance. A for axe. Axe. A for apple. A for astronaut. A for arrow. Once again you tell with me. Yes. A for ant. Ambulance. Axe. Apple. Astronaut. Arrow. So you please tell your mama while teaching the phonic books. You should learn with your mama children. Okay. You learn the phonic word sound also and picture also. Okay. Yes. When you see the picture, you should be able to identify and tell the picture what it begins. Yes. What is this picture means? You should be ready to tell. A for ant. A for ambulance. A for axe. A for apple. A for astronaut. A for arrow. A sound a. A sound a. Okay. This is the phonic sound. While you are reading, you should take the discover the phonic books and read. And you can also refer in the LE app. LE app, there is a phonic sound. You can learn with that also, children. It will be easy for you. Okay. Next, today I will give you the homework for this one. That is yesterday. I think page 1 you have colored the objects. Yes. Now you are able to identify the A letter. No, A letter picture. A for apple. A for astronaut. So you have colored this one. You should not color this one. This one homework you have done. For today's homework, what you have to do? Page number 2. Yes. Open reading readiness book. Page number 2. What you should do? Match the letter to the pictures that begin with the sound of A. So you have to match the picture which will begin with the sound A. Yes. A sound ambulance. A sound ant. So you have to match ambulance and ant. You should not match the leaf and jacket. It is wrong. So A for ambulance. A for ant. A sound ambulance. A for ant. Okay, you have to match. Now I will show you how to trace the letter A. Okay, first I will show you the trick. Yes children, it is very easy to trace letter A. So first what you should do? Slant line, one slant line, another slant line and one sleeping line. Makes the letter A. Okay children, once again use you. See, slant line, sleeping line, slant line, sleeping line. Same thing I will write on the board. See children. Here they have given the letter dotted line. You have to trace. Yes, in the book. So slant line. You have to start from up to down. Up to down. Another one slant line and small sleeping line. Slant line and sleeping line. This is the big letter A. So today I have given the 2 homeworks in the reading readiness book. One is you have to match the sound of A letter and again you open the page number. Yes, page number 21 children. Writing readiness book. Okay. Writing readiness book is there. You have to writing readiness book. In writing readiness book, you have to trace the letter A. 1 minute I will show you once again. This is the reading readiness book. Don't get confused. So, reading readiness book, you have to color the alphabet sound of the alphabet. Now you have to trace the letter A letter. Okay children, see children. Okay. Today you have to trace in writing readiness book. You have to trace the A letter. This is the another homework. So 2 homeworks I have given for A letter. One is for coloring and another one is tracing. How you write the letter A? So here they have given the arrow mark. Please observe. First one slant line, another slant line and small sleeping line. So it completes the A. So page number 21, letter A. Do it, children? Yes. Very good. Now we'll go to the next new concepts. Yes, children? Yes. Okay. We'll go to next new concept, which is very interesting. Yes. We'll go to the concept, new concept, that is shapes. So shapes. In that shape, we'll go to learn the circle shape. Yes, children? How it will be the circle? Anyone has seen? Shape, we learn the shape circle. Okay, we learn the circle shape. Yes. Children, can you find any objects in your house which are in circle shape? Yes? Clock. I heard someone is telling clock. Yes. Okay, it's okay. Now I'll show you this one circle shape few objects. This is circle shape. So this is where you will see in the kitchen, mama will use for making chapati, no? That is also in the plate. What she will do, no? That is also round shape. It is a circle shape. Circle is in a round shape. What is the shape of circle? It's a round shape. Yes. Next. This is a ring. Ring is also round shape. It is in circle. See? Ring is in circle shape. Next, I am showing you a small cup. It is also in circle shape. Very good, children. And another one is a bowl. Small bowl. See the outside? It is also circle shape. It is in a round shape. Very good. Next, have you seen this one? Mama will be wearing for hand. This is a bangle. Bangle is also in circle shape. Yes, bangle is also in circle shape. Next, what is this? This is also circle shape block. Yes? Yes, this is also in circle shape. I will show you in these two types. One is big, one is small. Both are in circle shape. This is big, this is small. Both are in what? Circle shape. Very good, children. Next, I think you will use this one, no? Yes, you form. What is this, children? This is CD. CD is also in circle shape. CD is also in circle shape. Yes. Next, I will show you. Yes, this is a plate, small plate. So, see the plate. What is the shape of the plate? It is in circle shape. It is in round shape. Circle is also in round shape. Yes. Can you see the round shape? And bottle cap also. Yes, children? Yes. Can you see this one? This is the bindi. Bindi will have the oval shape also, circle shape. But I am showing here which shape here? Circle shape. Mama will give no. Yes. This bindi also is in round shape. It is a circle shape. Yes, children. Now you are able to find the few circle objects. Now at home, you find the shape which are in circle shape. Yes, in next class, you should tell me. Okay, children. Next, we'll go to the next. In the picture, I will show you few. See, children. Example of eye. Our eyeball is also in circle shape. And you eat the biscuits. Yes. Which are the biscuit you will see? Yes, that is Marigold Good Day biscuit. That is also in circle shape. Now I will show you in the shape pictures. Can you see this one? Yes, children. This is the shape of a circle. It is in round shape. See here the picture of biscuit. It is also round shape. Next is clock. Clock is also round shape. Next, here see children. This is orange. If you cut orange, you will get a circle shape. Yes, this is the steering wheel of a car. And wheel of car also will come circle shape. Yes. So this is steering wheel, steering, and wheel That pizza is also in circle shape. So these are the pictures, few pictures of circle shape. Biscuit, clock, orange, steering, coin and pizza. These are all in circle shape, children. Now you find out the shape, circle shape in your house. Yes. Next class you should tell me. Yes, children. Very good. Next we'll go to the next concept that I have discussed about. Next concept, what is that? In last class we have learned good behavior. Yes. Now which are the good behavior you have learned? Yes. Can you tell anyone? I heard. That is early to bed. Yes. This is theme time. Being kind. In this we learn some good and bad behavior. So I will tell only the good behavior which will be useful for you. You should not learn bad behavior. So I will not show that picture. Just I will tell children which are good, which are bad. Here are some good behavior. So what is that? You should get up early in the morning. After get upping, what you will do? You should brush your teeth. Then you should take a bath. Then wear clean dress. Then after wearing clean dress, what you should do? You should do puja. Go and pray to God. Yes, you have to do prayer to the God. Yes, and you should wish your mama and daddy, parents yavago now wish ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes. Then you should be kind to animals. ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So you should be kind to be animals. Next, being kind, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You should have the breakfast ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you will be get ready to school. No, when you come to school you should wish the teacher. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. and you should eat yourself. ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೋಡಿ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ಸಣ್ಣವರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಾ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀರು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಅಥವಾ ತಾತ, ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀರು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಏನಾದರೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಡು ಅಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ the old peoples and your parents also. And you should play with your friends. Friends ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕು. You should not fight. Yes. And ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Yes. You should give respect to your elders, children. Very good. Yes, I think you all do know. Yes. Bad habit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? Bad habit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ದು. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜಗಳ ಆಡೋದು, ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪಿಂಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್, ಆಯಿತಾ? ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ bad children. You should be a good children. You should not fight for things and you should share. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪಿಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಜಗಳ ಆಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಚಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಐ ನೋ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ only the good things. Yes children, this is the theme time. Just I am revising the good and bad behavior. Okay children? Okay, now I will revise the homework what I am giving today. Yes, I will write on the board once you check out children. Yes, that is today's homework. Homework is mathematics readiness book. Mathematics readiness book, page number 81. Number 4 you have to trace. Number 4 you have to trace the number 4 children. Mathematics readiness book. Then letter A. Letter A na trace ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is page number 21 children. Yes. Next, another one is scrapbook. Take out your scrapbook. You have to paste the good and bad behavior pictures. Good ಮತ್ತೆ bad behavior na picture na paste ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And bumping line, one coloring you have to do children. Color one page. Page 1 color. Okay, once again I will tell you homework. MR book means mathematics readiness book, page 81, number 4. You have to trace. Next, RR book means page number 2. You have to match a sound. Yes. Then WR book means that is writing readiness book, page number 21. A letter you have to trace. Next is I will show you the scrapbook. Yes children, in the scrapbook tell your mama to paste the good and bad habits here. You have to paste it, which is good, which is bad. Okay, you have to paste the good and bad habits. You have to paste the scrapbook. And last is this is the bumpy line coloring book. So I think you have completed 2 pages. First page, second page. Today you have to color it children with the crayon. So don't do scribbling work here. They have mentioned the color here in the book. So for leaf they have given green color. For this one stem they have given brown color. And inside the color they have given apple. So one color you take and don't do all scribbling work. See the color and do it properly with your mama children. Yes, these are the 3 homeworks I have given. Please complete that day only. Now the portion will be more, so have to complete. So assignments also will be more children. Please cooperate with me children. Yes, very good children. Take care. Bye.